Welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to create a low poly star model on Blender. I've attached the reference image we'll be using for this video in the description below. First, when you open Blender, you will see the cube, camera and light source. If you press 1 on your keyboard, it will change to the front view. If you press 1 and nothing works, go to Edit, Preferences, Input, go to Keyboard and make sure Emulate Numpad is checked. Close Blender Preferences and press 1 again and it should work. We need to import an image into the scene to use it as a reference. Press Shift A, go down to Image, Reference, and find the location where you saved the reference. If you rotate around the scene, you'll come out the front view. Select the image and move it far behind. Press 1 again to make the object see-through. Select this icon here to change it to wireframe mode, and then move the cube towards the top right corner. Go to the top left corner and change Object Mode to Edit Mode. You can also press the Tab key to directly go to Edit Mode. Make sure Vertex is selected so that you can move the vertices of the cube. Also, you have to make sure Toggle X-Ray is on so that you can select the vertices from behind. Select the vertices and use the Move tool to drag the vertices. Move the other vertices closer to the center. Select the 2 vertices from the top. Right-click, Merge Vertices, and click at Center. Press 1 to go to front view. These vertices need to be deleted. Go to Edge Mode, right-click, Dissolve Edges. Go to Face Mode and select the face, and then press E to extrude. Move it into place by going back to Vertex Mode. Select all these vertices, right-click, Merge Vertices at Center. Select the vertices here and merge them again. Go to Face Mode, select the face and press E to extrude and move it into place. Merge the vertices again. Go to Face Mode and press E to extrude. Right-click and merge the vertices again. Go to Face Mode and extrude the face again. And as you can see, I'm just repeating the same action over and over. Go to Edge Mode and Dissolve Edge. So the same process will be repeated to create the other side. Last thing I need to do is to merge these two vertices. I'm going to use the scale tool to resize the star. There's a polygon inside the star that needs to be deleted. If you go to X-ray toggle mode, you'll see the polygon. Zoom into the star, go to edit mode, go to face mode, and then delete the face inside. To center the object, go to Object, Set Origins, Geometry to Origin. And here is the low poly star. Be sure to watch the next video where I'll be applying a shaded material to the star.